Hello and welcome to the oil loading ramp. I'm Chief Officer Andrew and you will be my assistant today. Hello Andrew. Today our task is to complete the loading of fuel oil. We will have to go up the ramp, lower the pipe into the tank, open up the valve and finish the pumping of the fuel. So I'm lowering the pipe right now. Now we have to open up the valve. Fuel loading has started. We have a progress bar above the tank to show how much space is left inside. As soon as it's at 100%, we have to close the valve. The loading is finished. We close the valve now. Now, this is tank 16. Your task is to start loading. I'm opening the valve now. The loading has started. Something is stuck. It's leaking. We are to leave the ramp immediately and to inform the chief officer. There's fuel oil spill at ramp 379. I'm leaving the ramp now. I actually felt the explosion. Should have left earlier.